Castor oil now offers a beacon of hope. Its ability to penetrate deeply into the skin is remarkable, allowing it to absorb more deeply than any other oil. Wherever castor oil penetrates, it breaks down lumps, impacts, blockages, and adhesions. It can break down a bone spur. If a bone spur has been present for 3 years, it may take 3 months to break it down. If it has been there for 3 months, it may take 3 weeks. If it has been there for 3 weeks, it may take only 3 days. So everything depends on how long it has been there. In this video, we will explore something truly remarkable, a simple natural remedy that can address 6 different health problems and even more. But I will break it down so you can apply it optimally, and the third issue is especially valuable. From joint calcifications to lymphatic stagnation, most people know castor oil as a laxative, but very few understand that when combined with baking soda in a precise golden ratio, it creates a biological drill capable of penetrating deeper than any other oil in the world. Yes, you heard that correctly, and it involves only 2 humble ingredients that may already be sitting in your cabinet right now: castor oil and baking soda. Now, you may be wondering how something so simple can be so powerful. Doctors have spent years studying natural remedies, and I continue to be fascinated by how nature provides exactly what we need to heal: castor oil and baking soda. These 2 ingredients have existed for a long time, but together they form a powerful combination that can address everything from joint pain to skin problems and even certain long-term health issues that many people struggle with for years. So how can you use it safely? And just as importantly, when should you avoid it? If you care about your health and your relationships, remember to press the subscribe button. Give this video a quick like and leave a comment below to let me know where you are watching from today. Now let us begin. The benefits of castor oil and baking soda. When we examine natural remedies, very few combinations are as versatile and powerful as castor oil and baking soda. Castor oil has been valued for centuries as a compound with significant anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects. It is a cornerstone of natural healing, providing deep nourishment and support to the body. Meanwhile, baking soda, a simple everyday ingredient, has its own healing properties. Its alkaline nature helps neutralize excess acid and calm inflammation, which is especially beneficial in today's world where many health problems stem from chronic inflammation. When castor oil and baking soda are combined, they create a powerful natural remedy that can support skin health, relieve joint and muscle pain, and more. Now let us dive deeper into some of the unique benefits this blend offers. First is natural joint and muscle pain relief. When it comes to managing joint and muscle pain, many people immediately turn to over-the-counter pain medications without realizing that nature has already provided effective alternatives. Castor oil, rich in ricinoleic acid, delivers strong anti-inflammatory benefits that help reduce swelling and ease pain. It works by calming inflammatory responses and supporting the body's natural healing processes. Baking soda enhances this effect by improving circulation, which not only helps reduce discomfort but also allows castor oil to penetrate more deeply into sore muscles and stiff joints. This makes the combination particularly beneficial for individuals dealing with chronic conditions, such as arthritis or experiencing muscle soreness after intense physical activity. Begin by mixing equal parts of castor oil and baking soda to create a thick paste. Gently massage this mixture onto the painful area, allowing the soothing properties of castor oil to begin working to enhance pain relief. Cover the area with a warm towel and leave it in place for about 30 minutes. The warmth helps the oil absorb more effectively, providing a comforting sensation that can significantly reduce tension and discomfort. This simple practice not only helps relieve pain, but also promotes relaxation, making it an excellent addition to your post-workout routine or daily self-care rituals, while enhancing circulation and lymphatic drainage beyond its well-known uses. It gently eases joint inflammation and stiffness, and dealing with arthritis or joint stiffness is something many of us experience as we age, and you are certainly not alone in this struggle. The good news is that nature offers effective solutions to ease your discomfort. Imagine the comforting warmth of this natural remedy spreading across your knees, elbows, or any area where you feel pain. Next is its effect on the skin. One of the standout benefits of castor oil is its remarkable ability to support skin health. Castor oil deeply moisturizes and is rich in fatty acids that help improve skin elasticity and restore the skin's natural protective barrier, especially for aging skin. When baking soda is added to castor oil, it provides a gentle exfoliating effect that helps remove dead skin cells, allowing fresh and healthy cells beneath to rise to the surface. This helps accelerate skin renewal and enhances the benefits of the oil. As an added bonus, both castor oil and baking soda have natural antibacterial properties that help protect minor cuts and wounds from infection, keeping the skin clean and encouraging faster healing. So how do you use it to create this healing blend? Simply mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda to form a paste. Apply it to the area you want to treat, whether it is dry skin, scars, or small wounds. Leave it on for about 15 minutes, then gently rinse with warm water for best results. Make this a part of your daily routine. Embrace this gentle and natural approach to self-care and watch how it transforms your health and beauty routine. The third lesser-known but extremely valuable benefit of the castor oil and baking soda combination is its ability to improve blood circulation and stimulate lymphatic drainage. Proper circulation is essential for overall health because it ensures that oxygen and nutrients are delivered to our cells while supporting the removal of waste products. When lymphatic flow is enhanced, the body can eliminate toxins more efficiently, which can be especially beneficial for those struggling with chronic fatigue, inflammation, or poor circulation. Supporting lymphatic health is critical because a sluggish lymphatic system can lead to swelling, discomfort, and a general feeling of heaviness. To use this combination to boost circulation and lymphatic drainage, simply massage the castor oil and baking soda mixture onto areas near lymph nodes, such as under the arms or in the groin area. Take a moment to focus on these areas using gentle circular hand motions. This not only feels soothing, but also actively encourages lymphatic drainage and helps reduce swelling. Practicing this daily for just a few minutes can significantly improve the body's detoxification capacity, helping you feel more energized and revitalized. This simple self-care practice is an excellent way to support the body's natural processes and enhance your overall sense of well-being. Reducing digestive issues and uncomfortable bloating is another benefit many people seek, especially as they get older. Castor oil activates the lymphatic system, which plays a crucial role in removing toxins and waste from the body. The fourth benefit is that castor oil has long been recognized for its ability to support digestion and relieve constipation, making it a long-standing household staple in natural healthcare. When combined with baking soda, which helps effectively neutralize stomach acid and reduce bloating, you have a powerful remedy for digestive discomfort. Castor oil stimulates the intestines and encourages healthy bowel movement, while baking soda soothes the stomach, creating a comprehensive approach to digestive relief. This natural blend can be especially beneficial for people struggling with bloating, gas, or indigestion. Regular use may even lead to improved digestion and more stable bowel patterns over time, helping you feel lighter and more comfortable in your body. If you are experiencing digestive issues, you may take up to 5 drops of castor oil internally, but it is essential to consult a healthcare provider before trying internal use. For external use, massage the castor oil and baking soda mixture onto the abdomen, then cover it with a warm cloth for about 30 minutes. The warmth enhances absorption and helps gently calm the digestive system. This gentle approach not only eases discomfort but also nourishes the body, allowing it to function at its best. Using natural remedies like this can be an effective way to support overall health. The fifth benefit involves addressing fungal infections. When it comes to dealing with fungal issues, castor oil and baking soda work together as a formidable combination. Both ingredients possess natural antimicrobial properties, making them effective allies against common fungal problems such as athlete's foot and fungal nail infections. Castor oil works by penetrating the skin and breaking down the protective layers of the fungus, while baking soda creates an environment that is hostile to fungal growth and effectively inhibits its spread. This combination not only targets the fungus but also supports the body's natural healing process, making it a smart option for those dealing with stubborn infections. To use this powerful blend, simply mix equal parts of castor oil and baking soda to form a thick paste. Apply the mixture directly to the affected area, ensuring it fully covers the surface. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, as this contact time is essential for the ingredients to work effectively. Then rinse the area thoroughly with warm water, Repeat this process twice daily until the infection resolves. This natural remedy not only promotes healing, but also helps soothe irritation. Soothing tired eyes is another helpful use. After a long day, it is natural for the eyes to feel strained and fatigued. A gentle mixture of castor oil and baking soda can provide a calming solution to reduce puffiness and ease eye strain. This nourishing routine offers a relaxing way to unwind and care for yourself at the end of the day. To create this gentle eye treatment, mix half a teaspoon of castor oil with a small pinch of baking soda. Carefully apply the mixture to the eyelids, then close your eyes and relax for about 10 minutes. When the time is up, rinse gently with warm water. This simple yet effective practice can leave your eyes feeling refreshed and revitalized. Conclusion: when using baking soda, remember that its alkaline nature is very strong. Do not rush or use too much from the beginning. Test a small amount on your skin first and observe how your body reacts before making it part of your daily routine. If you feel burning or notice redness, stop immediately. Listening to your body is the first step toward healing. The true power of this mixture is amplified when you combine it with a plate of green vegetables or a few light movement exercises. There is no remedy that works like a miracle without consistency. If you stay patient and make it part of your lifestyle, you will feel the reward of a lighter and more comfortable body without relying heavily on medications or chemicals. When it comes to ingredients, I strongly recommend taking the time to find a high-quality, pure castor oil. Cheap refined oils on the market often contain impurities that reduce their natural therapeutic value. One small but important note is to keep this mixture away from your eyes. If it accidentally gets into the eyes, rinse thoroughly with cool water immediately to soothe the skin. You should also avoid preparing a large batch to store for long-term use. Instead, prepare small, fresh amounts each time, keep them in a dark glass container, and store them in a dry place. Use it as you mix it, as this ensures the mixture retains its strongest healing properties. The final thing I want you to understand is that nature works gently, and therefore it requires time. Do not expect pain to disappear overnight. With patience, improvements in your skin, joints, or hair will come in the most sustainable way. This is how we truly take control of our health. Nature has given us remarkable remedies, and our role is to receive them with wisdom and respect. If you find this valuable, please subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video.